Your body, move your body.
Kaka Cluckle Do, please place an order.
What you doing? You're embarrassing yourself, you prick.